wanna know you better. Give me every detail. I won't judge you, as you know. I could stay forever. When you're lying in my arms, my heart is open. It just took.
Hello my friends, welcome back. If this is your first time here, my name is Grace and welcome to my channel, Bold and Graceful. I am bold and I am graceful. Today, as you can see, please don't mind the noise. There's a lot of construction going on in my street. Nothing I could do about that, but I have a sunny day and I really needed to get this underway. As you can see, I've got tea carts just all over my driveway because I did a tea cart and I had a lot of friends and family who really liked it, and you know, here they are. So I'm going to be doing it as gifts for them. They've asked for it, here it is. I'm going to be doing them in different styles, and I'm going to be showing you as we move on with this video.
I'm not heading for the stars, driving down the boulevard tonight. Playing Coldplay on repeat, watching people on the street as I go by. And it doesn't even matter to me where I go, I just feel I need to take a ride. Got my coffee cup to go, and I'm gonna hit the road tonight. Now my wheel.
I got another one. This is Tea Cart Alley. This is a great hobby. It's keeping my mind sort of occupied. 2 carts on the go. But I wanted to show you a little bit of it. It's already been sanded. We wanted just a light sand. And the handle here just goes down. It doesn't clip on anything. And it has this little drawer here with a little white knob. And inside the bottom almost feels like a newspaper, but it's actually the bottom. So very nice. And here it has this sort of ledge, and it came with a tray, which I will show you, and the tray goes in there. Okay, so I've got the tray, and the tray actually just sits in there. How beautiful is that? Picked up a new cart. It is really cute. It's a little bit, the design is a little bit different, and it's all oak, and it is already sanded. I'm going to be working on this piece.
My windows open with the wind blowing in my hair. I'm driving down the highway, gonna do this my way. I can feel it in the air. Here I go.
2 coats of black. So now we're gonna wait for the morning and see what happens. So I'm not touching the cart in the bottom, just the tops. So to save time on this cart, you've already seen many videos where I do the squares. I will link some below in my Mackenzie Child's Inspired playlist. So for this one, I've already done all that. So now I'm going to be doing the cleaning of the edges, make it all perfect, and then we're going to go on to the design. But this cart has some detail, and I want to work on that detail. I want to do something a little bit different for this cart. I've had some questions from you guys as to what brushes I use. So I'm going to show you. I've got tons of brushes, but don't forget you want something that's more detailed. So you can go with something like this because it's, you know, it doesn't fold too easy, and it's small, and it's easier to, you know, do that. You can go with that. You definitely don't want to go with something like this. Okay, so that's a no. This is the feathering one. Now I want to show you what happened on one of my other carts. I've got these 2 feather brushes. I do the feathering with this brush over here. I couldn't find it, so I got out another one because I had more than one. However, the end result of what I was trying to achieve was very, very different. So I want to make sure that I tell you that, because I didn't realize that this one here, I guess it's thicker, where this one is just, there's a lot less. So, you know, there's a difference. So the ones I prefer to use for detailing, I really like these ones with a little, I got these at Michael's, but I really like these ones. When I'm doing bigger projects, this here, I bought a pack. This here is very soft. It spreads smoothly. So I really like that. And for some detailing, and they also have this brand. I don't know what this brand is. Oh, wait a minute. Craft Smart. Hello. Craft Smart. That's what it is. So if you're at Michael's, do grab these. I did buy other ones, but the whiskers start to kind of go that way. So when you're doing fine detailing, you're going to have like a runaway piece that's going to damage what you're working on. I use this for an example. Let's say I had a spot here in the center that needed fixing, then, you know, I would definitely do that because I don't have to worry about the edges. So it's very important. I really wanted to share that with you. Okay, let's begin.
I wanna get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip. Girl, I wanna see the sun, dive into the deep ocean, dance with you all night long, move as you swing your hips. Let's take a break from the stress and the hate.
So this one, I just wanted to do it all in black, and I did the gold in the wheels, and this one has 2 tiers here, but I wanted to keep the handle in original, so I did keep that. And so everything, this one was pretty basic, all in black, and I think it turned out stunning. I'm not sure. Let me know what you think in the comments. Sometimes less is more, and I think this one was it. Oh, that is so stunning. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so by hitting the red button below and hitting the bell to be notified when I upload. So for now, be kind, take care of each other. Thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing week, and remember that you want to reach a point in your life where you say, remember when, and never ever, I wish I did. Take care of each other.